how to fix playables not showing on YouTube. So if you want to fix playables not showing on your YouTube, then what you need to do is you just need simply go with your YouTube at first. Once you're on your YouTube, I'll just simply go and select a video. Now if you tap on your video, then as you can see that you will have all of your playables like pause or forward, backward, or 10 seconds. You'll have all of your playables, right? But if you don't find your playables, then what you need to do is just simply go with the settings option on your YouTube. Go with your profile. Under profile, go with settings, which is on top right. Now scroll down and go with accessibility. And here you will have accessibility player. You can turn it on. And now if you go back and open up that video, then as you can see that you will have all of your playables right here. Or you can just simply go and update your YouTube, and after updating, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.